A do-it-yourself roof inspection can be a great way to identify potential problems with your roof and save money in the long run. However, it is essential to understand the difference between DIY and professional roof inspection before attempting to repair or replace your roof. Homeowners typically do DIY without any formal training or certification. While it can be an effective way to spot apparent damage, such as missing shingles or cracked flashing, it is unlikely that a homeowner will have the expertise required to assess more complex aspects properly. The assessment includes ventilation, insulation, or structural integrity. Additionally, if any issues are identified during a DIY inspection, they must be addressed by qualified professionals to ensure proper repairs and installation of new materials. To help you with your roof inspection, you can contact Meridian, Idaho professional roofers for your roofing needs. We have comprehensive roofing services that will help with all your roofing needs. Call our number, and you can get your estimate on your specific project.